Everyone, this is a video testimonial for Alok sir and team AADME. They helped me a lot throughout the course and guided me the basic necessities of digital marketing. And I would give a special thanks to Pradeep sir and Arpit sir. He was always available whenever we need the help. And Alok sir's course, ADME course, is not just normal course. It helps you to build your own agency over the period of the time, and you will learn the tactics of selling and the basic concept of content writing and copywriting, which is a very special and very important part of the digital marketing in this scenario. And I would really appreciate Alok sir, the motivation he gives, and he was always available 24/7 to help us. And I would recommend you to join ADME if you want to transform your digital marketing career. Thank you.